This mega structure right here has been delayed for 20 years. It will cost $2.5 billion, and when it's finally built, it will stretch 38 kilometers across Lagos Lagoon, making it the longest bridge in all of Africa. But here's why Lagos desperately needs it. The city is officially the most congested on earth. According to 2025 Non-Built Traffic Index, Lagos ranks number 1 globally, with commuters losing an average of 70 minutes per trip. That's nearly 5 hours every single day sitting in gridlock. And the economic cost 4 trillion naira annually. That's about 7% of Lagos State entire GDP disappearing into traffic jam. For the millions of residents, it is money that could fund schools, hospitals, and infrastructure, instead wasted on fuel and lost productivity. The solution, a bridge so massive it will dwarf everything else on the continent. The Fourth Mainland Bridge isn't just another crossing. At 38 kilometers, it will be nearly twice as long as Egypt's 6th October Bridge, currently Africa's longest at 20.5 kilometers. The design features 8 lanes of traffic, 9 interchanges connecting 8 major roads, 3 toll plazas, and a dedicated bus rapid transit corridor. But here is the engineering challenge. 4.5 kilometers of this bridge crosses over Lagos Lagoon. That means driving foundation piles through swamp substrate, designing expansion joint to handle heat and extreme humidity, and building a structure that can support 50,000 vehicles per day over unstable ground. The route runs from Abra Adesanya in Ajah, transverses Etiosa Lekki Epe corridor, crosses the lagoon, and connects to the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway via Ikorodu, essentially creating a new arterial ring road for the entire city. This isn't just about moving cars. The Fourth Mainland Bridge is designed to unlock Lagos' trapped economic potential. Right now, the Third Mainland Bridge at just 11.8 kilometers carries the vast majority of island to mainland traffic and is choking. The Fourth Mainland Bridge will bypass the worst congestion entirely, cutting commute times by up to 15%. And opening eastern Lagos for industrial development. Independent analysis suggests the project could boost Lagos State internally generated revenue by over 20% within 2 decades through expanded toll revenues, real estate development, and new commercial activities along the 38-kilometer corridor. Which brings us to the question everyone has been asking for 2 decades. If the bridge is so critical, why has the project not started? The Fourth Mainland Bridge was proposed in 2006. The construction was scheduled to begin in 2017, with the completion targeted for 2019. That didn't happen. In December 2022, the Lagos State government announced that the Chinese CCEC CRCIG consortium had been selected as the preferred bidder. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu promised construction would begin in early 2023. That deadline passed. Then he promised March 2024. That one passed too. As of January 2026, not a single foundation pile has been driven. So what's the holdup? According to the Lagos Deputy Governor Obafemi Hamzat, it's inflation. The project was initially budgeted at 844 billion naira in 2017. By 2020, that had jumped to $2.2 billion. The current estimates sit at $2.5 billion, and with Nigeria's naira losing value against the dollar, that number keeps climbing. The contractors are stuck in financial negotiations. The state government is battling currency volatility, and meanwhile Lagos loses another day, another 11 billion naira to the traffic congestion. But there are signs that this project might finally be moving forward. In February 2025, the Lagos state government allocated funds in its budget specifically for urban renewal and technical studies on the Fourth Mainland Bridge. That's bureaucratic language for finalizing the engineering specification and environmental impact assessment needed before construction can begin. The project will be built under what is called Design, Build, Finance, Operate, Maintenance, Transfer model. The consortium will construct the bridge, operate it for a concession period, collecting toll revenue, then transfer it back to the government. Lagos State, the African Export-Import Bank, and Access Bank are securing the funding. The construction timeline, 4 years from groundbreaking to completion. If work starts by 2026, the bridge will open by 2030. And Lagos can't afford more delays. With a population growth rate of nearly 4% annually, the metro area is projected to reach 24 million people by 2035. Every year of delay means more congestion, more economic loss, and more pressure on aging infrastructure that was never designed for this scale. The Fourth Mainland Bridge represents something bigger than engineering. It's a test of whether Lagos, and by extension African megacities, can build the infrastructure they need fast enough to match their explosive growth. For now, the lagoon sits empty, but after 2 decades of promises, the question isn't whether Lagos needs this bridge, it's whether Lagos can finally deliver it. If you like definitive African infrastructure project like this, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section, do you think Lagos really needs the Fourth Mainland Bridge? See you on the next one.